Hey y'all, Will Healy here, coming to you live from the Florence, Kentucky warehouse of Balluff. This is a really great application of sensors. You can see on a conveyor, you can see here the sensors space out the boxes as they go down the conveyor line. These are each retroreflective sensors. What that means is each sensor has a reflector on the other side, and when the light is blocked by the box, it stops the conveyor. So you can see here the input from the sensor, there's the light dot. The input goes into this network module. The network module sends it to the PLC. The PLC sends its data back to fire the solenoid and stop the roller conveyor. So really great application. We can do condition monitoring. These are smart sensors, and so I can see if the lens is dirty, or even a power supply with condition monitoring. You can see, you can read out the health of the power supply and what's going on with the power supply, and know if it's time to do any maintenance on it. So devices like the smart power supply and the smart sensor are really helping us do condition monitoring in real time in applications all over manufacturing. So like to hear how you're doing condition monitoring real in your plant. Leave a comment below, or don't forget to hit follow next to my name at the top.